Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I will going to introduce you the air-beam hook tobacco packing machine with batch and quantitative extrusion. The model number of this machine is ATM 350XQ. Why is customized? Because it's customized for packing 200 grams ShiSha products. Okay, let me run this machine to show you how it works.
Now it's a long extruder. Here is the collector. This part is coupled. Very good. Beautiful. Look at the speed. Now the weight is 50 grams. The speed is 100, more than 100 reps per minute. This part is the packing machine. Making the potato bag.
So, you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.